Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's your girl Rainshine. Let's start another adventure. Today we're back with another budget-friendly adventure. And guess what? We're heading to Manar, Abu Dhabi 2025 on Jubail Island, the light festival of the year. And yes, syempre, commuter tayo today. Bus number 187 is straight to Manar. Let's go! So, from Abu Dhabi City, the ride takes around 30 to 50 minutes, depende sa traffic. Super chill, very smooth, and best part, budget-friendly talaga. No need for taxi or car. Okay guys, I just reached Manar and wow, ang haba ng pila. It's very long queue. So, here's your pro tip. Come early. If you get here around 5:30 p.m., do it. After sunset, everyone comes at once. It is open from 5:30 p.m. until 12 midnight. And it's free entry. Yes, you heard that right. It's completely free. So, expect crowds, but trust me, it's worth it. After a long wait, finally,
Welcome to Gateway to what? Heaven?
wow!
Oh, it's so amazing.
Oh my gosh, look! Parang sinasanitize muna tayo.
Cold.
Ganon.
Coffee pala. Kinukuha na ba ako lang?
Sanitation done. Alright, shiners, welcome to the gateway. This is very first thing you'll see when you enter Manar Jubail Island. This entire path is made of steel arcs with lasers and light planes. Yes, parang sci-fi movie in real life. And wait, there's mist blowing everywhere. So the lights literally appear in the air, giving magic portal vibes.
Whispers, how are you guys? Hope you're enjoying Manar so far. So this is Whispers. It's one of the 3 projects made this year by Studio Drift. It's a studio that originated in the Netherlands in year 2007. They have 3 artworks in this year's Manar. This is the first one. The second one is a drone show that happens at 9 p.m. every day. And the third and final project is Unfold, which is the big dome you'll find right ahead. That's their only interactive project. This is not interactive.
Manar Abu Dhabi is one of the most magical light art festival in the UAE. If you've never been here before, imagine stepping into a massive open-air art gallery. Everything around you is made of light, nature, and technology. Artists from around the world create installations that glow, move, react, and even tell stories. And every single piece has a deeper meaning. This festival isn't just something you look at. It's something you feel, touch, and experience. Now, let's dive into what's inside. We already passed by one of the Whispers installation. And now, we're heading into the interactive light installation. This is where the fun begins. Lights that change when you walk past, patterns that react to your movements, shadows that come alive. It feels like the art is literally playing with you. And this installation, you will just look into the camera and you might suddenly see your own face reflected, distorted, or transformed depending on the digital effect on the screen. On the way to the next artwork, we found a swing. And of course, we had to try it. Next is the unfold. This one, your heartbeat, your movement, they actually create digital flowers right in front of you. It feels futuristic, emotional, and honestly, so beautiful to watch your own energy transform into art. You will lay down here and put both of your hands on the light. Wait until it's blue and then you're ready. After all that exploring, syempre, food break. Yay! And then, exactly 9 p.m., the sky lit up with the drone show. Hundreds of drones moving together, forming shapes, animation, patterns. It's cinematic, it's breathtaking, definitely a must-see if you come here. Right after that, we lined up for one of the festival's most unique experience, the salt installation. Bari. Tira din din
Sheikh Al-Madrou artwork. Please take it as a note. We have a limited time and please do not touch the water. Go closer to the artwork. My colleague will come and explain. Thank you.
Don't put the water down. Asin yan? Ano yung mag-explain?
Contingent object. It was made by Sheikh Al-Madrou. He's an Emirati artist, and this artist is being named contingent because it comes from the nature around it, the sky and the heat that it used to evaporate this water. So it is composed of three natural elements, one being salt, one being water, and one being a bacteria. This bacteria is a special bacteria named Halo bacteria that loves to consume salt, then produce this red pigment to the water by making a membrane colored red. The slides aren't causing the water to appear red, they're just for display and design purposes only. So the circumference is 30 meters in diameter, and all of the boulders are made of salt. If you want to feel the boulders, you can. We have high concentration with the water as well. So you will see many people traveling from one part of the world to the other. See a red lake or pink sea,
Salt,
whatever it is. Same concept is being used here. Just within the artwork,
may bacteria siya. Because salt. Ano ito sa bordo? Ano yung itsura? Ano nakita?
Wala.
We have a lovely artist, her name is Kristen Berg. She's from the US, and the name of the art is Compound Eye. It looks like a big sculpture, and it tells about how everything is connected and how we see ourselves. and it is inspired by Buddha's idea and by the eyes of the insects. And the idea behind the artwork is once you look at the mirror, it shows your reflection, and once you keep moving around, your reflection keeps changing from big mirror to small mirror, big mirror, small mirror.
Oh,
And this is compound eye.
compound eye.
Eden is a large-scale outdoor art installation created in 2025 by Malaysian artist Pamela Poe for the Manar Abu Dhabi exhibition.
So yung dumadaan na si ano?
Balak.
Cloud.
This is a red plant and it's attached with sensors. This is a 3D scan. When you interact with the plant, you will see this visual.
Like we can?
Yes, you can. It creates beautiful symphony visuals about what is it?
Oh, I will play that.
And finally, we ended the night with one of the sweetest installations, the interactive flower. When you touch the flower, it creates sounds and shapes on the screen. It's gentle, calming, and honestly the perfect way to wrap up this magical journey.
Now we are heading to bus stop going back to the city.
Finally, after waiting for 30 minutes.
And that's a wrap for our amazing night at Manar Abu Dhabi 2025. It's magical, immersive, and totally unforgettable, and the best part, it's free and accessible. So anyone can come and experience the art, nature, and light together. Comment down below which installation you'd love to try. I want to hear your favorites. Keep shining, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next vlog. It's your girl Rainshine. Let's make memories that shine. See you on the next adventure. Bye!